Today's feature is a house that blends into the landscape, respecting the natural terrain and almost disappearing among the rocks and vegetation of the high-altitude grassland. Built in an elevated region, our house was designed to minimize its impact on the land. The strategy was to divide the house into 3 independent volumes: service, social, and private, connected through gardens and carefully adapted to the natural contours of the terrain. This thoughtful layout also organizes the outdoor spaces, creating different levels of privacy while highlighting the open views toward the valley. Instead of walls and barriers, space is defined by the topography itself and the subtle relationship between architecture and nature. The stones removed during the grading of the access ramp were reused to retain soil at the back of the property, reinforcing the commitment to minimal intervention. An exterior staircase leads from the ground to the rooftop of the social block, which has been transformed into a landscaped lookout, seamlessly blending into the environment and expanding the contemplative experience. The house orientation ensures year-round thermal comfort without the need for artificial climate control. In addition, it is energy self-sufficient. The service and private blocks are topped with photovoltaic panels. Our house doesn't impose itself. It listens to the site, adapts, and finds its own shape within it.